Okay, after the last couple games, it's obvious that brute forces are at a premium, and so are tribute to the gods. So we need both of these back. I removed the weakened thief guy, and yeah, so let's get back in it. Yes, and that's why tribute is good. I can't say that I can complain here. Brute forces, dude. Play a creature. Alright, reduce some removal. That makes me happy. Okay, put the charge thief up. And use our removal. Do we want to play? Yeah, we'll do it because he doesn't have any abilities, so he has to use a spell to do it. Alright, that hurts a little bit. So we're going to take another 3. Next turn we can Soul Ranger it. Or remove it with this. And we're going to Soul Ranger it. And buff the angel, kill the clockwork. We don't have anything hasty. We don't have to discard to get him out because he'll kill in 2 turns. But we do want the computer to just up and concede, so we're going to go ahead and play it anyway.